wholesalers, we want to show you a quick application for wrapping a refrigerator. We know you guys have a bunch of the small refrigerators out there that you use out in marketplace. So we used Josh, and we did a quick, really simple, used MABV, which is our matte adhesive back vinyl, and wrapped the side of one of the refrigerators. I think you're seeing it on screen now. We used Action Tack and a felt squeegee and take it all down. You can see it takes very little time. Again, if you have any further questions or you want to get some answers or what type of medias we use, you can buy the felt squeegees, you can buy the vinyl. Just call 1-800-POS-2828 and ask your inside sales rep for more information.
So whenever we're laying a bigger panel, always fold back about 2 inches of the backer. And then it's just important to get this lined up so it's as centered as possible. You can use Action Tack. This is going to help lay it down without bubbles. We're using MABVA, which has air release, so the bubbles will come out anyways. But this just makes it easier for a big panel. All you want to do is just do a light spritz. And you can peel the backer off. It's best to go down the center first and then just apply it outwards. You can see there's some bubbles, they'll just press out. You can just use a squeegee. It'll press that excess fluid out and all the bubbles out.